Chicos, ¿cómo están? Hoy vamos a hablar de verbos reflexivos recíprocos. Reciprocal reflexive verbs. So remember, what are reflexive verbs? Reflexive verbs are verbs that refer about actions that we do oneself. So, lavarse el pelo, to wash one's hair. Okay, remember? But reciprocal, like the word says it's something that you do to someone and it's done back to you. Happens at the same time. The most common verbs that are reciprocal, we have it here in this box, are abrazarse, to hug or to embrace, besarse, to kiss, encontrarse, to meet or run into someone, saludarse, to greet to each other, verse, to see each other. Okay, let's look at some examples then. Carlos y María se abrazan. They're hugging each other. See, it's reciprocal. It's something that happens or that's something that someone does to one another. Carla y Jaime se encuentran en el centro comercial. They run into each other. They meet each other. Right? Again, it's reciprocal. They see each other. They run into each other. Like we can say, it refers to more than one object or more than one person, because it's not someone doing something, but it's two people or two objects doing something to each other. That's why we're always gonna use the plural form. Look, se abrazan. Se is the reflexive pronoun for they, el, ellos, ellas, ustedes, y abrazan, the conjugation for the same noun. Se, reflexive pronoun, encuentran, conjugation of the plural form. Okay, so let's look some examples with this common reciprocal verbs. You already have se abrazan, they hug each other. Se encuentran, they run into each other, they meet each other. Let's look besarse. Los novios se besaron durante la boda. The couple, reflexive pronoun, besaron, because it's them, they kissed each other while the wedding, right? Let's look at another one. Saludarse. Camila y la profesora se saludan todas las mañanas. We have los novios is plural. We have Camila and la profesora, two people, then our reflexive pronoun. Se saludan, conjugation for the ustedes form. Todas las mañanas, they greet each other every morning. Verse. Andrés y yo nos vimos ayer. Andrés y yo, more than one. Nos vimos, us, we saw each other yesterday. Ok, chicos, ya saben, si tienen preguntas, por favor, escríbanlas en el tablero de discusión. Gracias. Adiós.